When you're out here on the river, fella needs a good chainsaw. I think we just ram it with a boat. What do you think?
Oh, we going over it. Grant, you mean hold the phone?
Yeah. Well, can you do that and drive the
Yeah.
boat at the same time?
I drive on
All right.
man.
Come on. That's what I'm freaking talking about, son. Oh, Mississippi mudcat right there. Oh. Listen to him hurt.
Look right there.
Oh, catfish done caught a catfish.
Good eating. Good right there. Well,
Yeah, boy.